Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This is 8:20 Eastern Time in the morning, and I'm making this video pre-market because today would be an insane day for skills for ticker symbol SKLZ. Yesterday we had a run up of 33%, and you can see in pre-market we are already up 14%. So most probably we will have an insane short squeeze today, and that is why I'm making this video, because I want to show you the chart pattern and especially support and resistance where we can go and why we are thinking about a short squeeze. And if you want to play with some call option, maybe this is a best opportunity if you do not want to invest a lot of money, but at the same time you want to get the maximum benefit. So with that, I do not want to waste any kind of time. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So first of all, when I made the video yesterday, I think we were around $14, and I said 14 needs to be a support, then 14, then it became 14.5, and then end of the day 16.75 was the target I was looking at. And you see, after market and pre-market we are grinding up, and we are around 19.14 in the morning. So let's look at the daily chart here, right? So you see a big volume here and a big candle here pointing upward, and we closed the day here, which was the resistance around 16.76. Now pre-market we are 19.15, and I'll talk why I'm thinking a massive insane short squeeze gonna happen today. I will come back to the chart again because I want to draw some other line to give you a better idea what I'm thinking for today and this week as well. First of all, if I see the short squeeze, you can see that the short interest has increased by 60%. That's a lot. So it was 21.9 million share the previous time, then it became 35. So 60% increase in short interest. Can you imagine? Because this share price was way up, then it came down, and big institution hedge fund, they were just shorting the stock, right? And we also know Kathy Wood, she loves the stock. And what happened yesterday? Kathy Wood's ARK buys over 5 million shares. Yesterday she bought another 5 million shares. This is so important. And in my previous video I talked about this chart. It was here, they had like 5.84 million shares, and now it is another, like it's showing 6.89. So it's saying 5 million share. I think this is not yet updated, but definitely you can see there is a big rise. If I go to fintel.com, fintel. What's the name, .co or io, fintel.io, it says that the institutional ownership here, right, is 39%. So institutions, they love this stock, and 39% they have ownership on this particular stock. There's a lot. Also, if I look here, you can see that big names, Morgan Stanley, on 12th of April, they added 30. They have 34 million share, right? So they have 10% ownership of skills, and they have currently 32 million shares. We know ARK has around like let's see how much ARK has. Does it say anything? They added 5 million shares, and here is the list. So currently they have 4 million shares here, right? They added 4 million. So anyway, this is not important. The main important thing is Kathy Wood, ARK Invest, they are buying a lot of share. Skills has 39% institutional ownership, and also Morgan Stanley added more share. Currently they have 32 million shares. Also, if I look at the short volume ratio, this is 31%. So we know anything over 20% is considered a high short interest, and currently Skills has 31%. We have also seen that the short interest has increased by 60%. So what's gonna happen? So first of all, yesterday we saw some kind of short squeeze, because 33% is not like nothing less, because we all thought, you see the bar here, the pink rectangle here. In my previous video I talked, this is a strong support for this particular stock, right? During the IPO it was the area, it came down, and everyone thought this is the area, skills can go below that. But once it broke the support, then more shorting started happening, and they were just bringing the stock down, and I think that was the end around for 12.5 something, right? Now the thing is, all the shorts, right, short seller, they came at this point. So once we pass above that area, let's say $19-20, so these people need to buy, right? Because they were shorting the stock around this area. So once the share price will go higher, they have to buy back. So what's the good thing is, now if the big institution like ARK Invest or any other big bank, if they started buying large amount of share, the share price will go higher. At the same time, these short who were shorting the stock around this area, right, around this area, they have to buy back. And this is a classic um, thing, the base match, and it will drive the share price higher and higher. So definitely it will go higher. So how far it can go? I think the first resistance I see around 23.5. Why? Because you see it was a resistance, then it became a support and resistance. Once 23.5 is broken, then maybe we will hit towards 31.9, or you can say $32, right? So you can see from $19 we can go to 23 or 31 or even more. Now let's draw another line. I think this is I want to show you here. So I'm just drawing these lines just to give you an idea why I'm talking about this. So in terms of that, you can see, like, I'm just connecting the top bars of this one, so you can see that still we have more room to go, right? So this one, the yesterday's candle, right? So this one can still go, and it will intersect the black line around 19, which we are currently sitting at. And also 19 corresponds to the pink circle here I talked about, right? So 19 is a very important thing. So once we break 19 or even 20, then we will see a big push, real big push towards to the moon, let's say. So what's the resistance? 23 and 32. I'm not going to 45 for now. If we come close to 32, maybe I will make another video. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. I'm so excited because we are going to the moon finally today, right? And lastly, if you want to make some quick money using call option, you can play with the expiration of 23rd April, which will give you 2 days to expire. Not only 2 days, yeah, 2 days, 2 days Thursday, then we have Friday. But definitely this is so risky because only 2 days, the implied volatility is 201%, and but the premium will be really less, because currently if we open at 19, then it will be like in the money. So I think the $19 strike will become $100 or $150 when the market will open. So you can just spend $150 and just ride the wave. Or if you think the share price will go to 23 by Friday, which is tomorrow, maybe you can choose a strike price around 21 or 21.5. So just spend less money. If you're really lucky, it can go to the moon and you can make a lot of money. If worst case it comes down, you will not lose a lot of money. So the risk versus reward ratio will be really high. And if you want to take more time, which I was doing yesterday, I took the May 21st call, and I was playing with where do I see, around 13.5. This is what I was playing yesterday, right? And I bought around $200, then it became 420, and definitely when the market will open today, it will be even way higher. But anyway, I have sold that call option and made a quick money. A lot of profit I might get in again. So I will watch the market in the morning, how we open. If there is any kind of dip in the first 10-15 minutes, I will jump in with a call option. So anyway, my friends, I wanted to make this video as quickly as possible so that you can make a plan, and if there is any kind of insane short squeeze happening, how we can take the benefit from that. So if you find any of the information I presented here, click the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And especially if you're following SKLZ, then definitely subscribe to my channel, because I will be making more videos on SKLZ, I think, during today. So anyway, my friends, have a wonderful trading day, and let's make some money. Take care and peace.